Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into a tool that has been gaining serious attention, Anytype, a privacy-focused offline-first alternative to Notion. In this video, we'll review Anytype in 2025, explore its features, pros and cons, and finally the answer, is Anytype better than Notion? So without further ado, let's jump right in. What is Anytype? Anytype is an open-source peer-to-peer productivity platform designed to replace your note-taking, task management, and knowledge-based apps, all while giving you full control of your data. Key facts: it works offline, encrypts everything locally, syncs peer-to-peer, no central servers, completely open source, and has a cross-platform capabilities from Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and iOS and Android. Anytype calls itself the operating system for knowledge, and it really feels like a personal OS. Now the core features. Here's what you can do with Anytype. Objects. Everything is an object. Notes, tasks, projects, books, and you can create relationships between them. Graph view. Visualize how your ideas and notes connect like a mind map. Templates and types. Create custom templates and types for everything. Offline first. Everything works offline by default. End-to-end encryption. Even the team at Anytype can't access your data. Block-based editor. Similar to Notion, drag-drop format freely. Local backup. You can fully own your data, backup your vault locally. It's like if Notion and Obsidian had privacy-loving baby. Performance and usability. Fast and responsive, even with large databases. The UI is sleek, modern, and distraction-free. Still in the beta, but feels very stable. Mobile apps are surprisingly functional offline. Some features, however, are still missing, like calendar integrations. If you're coming from Notion, you'll notice that Anytype feels more like a local app than a web app because it is, in fact, that. Privacy and data ownership. This is where Anytype destroys Notion. Your data is stored locally and encrypted. There are no central servers. Syncing is done via peer-to-peer, the IPFS-based option. You own your information completely. Ideal for users who care about privacy, security, and decentralization. With Notion, your notes live on Notion servers. With Anytype, they live with you. A fast comparison between Anytype and Notion. Offline support with Anytype is full default, but with Notion, it's partial and only limited. Privacy and encryption. With Anytype, it's end-to-end. With Notion, there is none. Open source. With Anytype, it exists, but with Notion, it does not. The templates and database. With Notion, it's very mature, but with Anytype, it's still growing. Collaboration. With Anytype, it's limited as of now, but Notion, it's full real-time. Web access, it's non-existent with Anytype since it's only app, but with Notion, it exists. The graph view exists with Anytype, but not with Notion. So, Anytype wins in privacy, offline support, and flexibility, while Notion has an edge in collaboration and integration. Who should use Anytype? You should use Anytype if you want a Notion-style experience without giving up your privacy, work solo or in small terms, prefer to keep your data offline and secure, love visual organization with graph views, and are comfortable using beta stage tools. You should avoid Anytype if you rely on heavy team collaboration, need a calendar and API integration right now, and don't want a manually managed backup or installs. Now, roadmap and features updates. Anytype is still evolving eventually, and the team has ambitious plans. The team collaboration supports the API and third-party integration, calendar and time blocking features, improved syncing and backup options, plug-in marketplace for community extensions as well. It is clear they're building a fully fledged alternative to mainstream tools without the cloud. Real use cases for Anytype. Let's talk real world. Here's how people actually use Anytype. Writers use it to manage research, drafts, and link character profiles. Students use it to take offline lecture notes and organize study topics. Developers document code snippets, link repos and project notes. Personal knowledge base with graph views, you can mimic looks from Obsidian or Rome, journaling and goal tracking with templates from daily logs and habit tracking. It's a productivity Swiss Army knife with everything stored locally and encrypted. So is Anytype better than Notion? Conclusion is yes, if you care about privacy, data ownership, and working offline, and no, if you need real-time collaboration, web access, or integration. Anytype in 2025 is an excellent personal productivity platform. It is still growing, but for creators, writers, students, and privacy lovers, it's already incredibly powerful. If you are curious, give it a try. It's free, open source, and works on nearly any device. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check description for download links. See you next video.